Hello everybody. Today we have an Acer laptop that is not charging and does not power on. As you can see, all lights are off. Let's measure the voltage on the charger. Black.
As you can see, all lights are off. Let's measure the voltage on the charger. Black probe outside and red probe into the hole. There is 19 volts, the charger is okay. Let's try again. Let's open the laptop quickly. Sometimes the BIOS software on this model gets stuck. An easy way to fix this problem is to remove the BIOS battery and short the positive and negative pins of the battery connector for a few seconds. Let's try to power on the laptop. As you can see, the laptop is on. Let's assemble the laptop quickly. We have charging light. The laptop is on. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and activate the bell for notifications. Thank you and see you on the next video.